He's overly excited. He wants to vomit in Craig's mouth. He's so happy. Maybe he'll start breeding with you like that guy that got shagged by the bird, by a rare parrot. That would be hilarious if Phoenix did that to you.
What's up? Come on. What a good birdie.
Listen to that sound.
What a good birdie.
He wants to vomit for you so bad.
What a good
Oh,
birdie.
just let him vomit in your mouth, please.
No, I already had it once. I think I'll pass.
And what does it taste like?
Like tuna?
Look who's getting jealous.
Okay, that's enough.
That's crazy how he's getting like this. That's Phoenix, and that's Laura. And I don't know. Max is over there peeking out. Conyers are around. Bye-bye. Bye, Phoenix. Bye. Bye. That can't even take his mind off it.